Jai Bharat all. I hope you all are keeping fine and healthy too. In this video, we are going to discuss about the chapter number 9 of GK, that is Women Freedom Fighters of India. That means the important contribution of women in the freedom fighting. But before that, let us discuss the term freedom. It means the power or right to act, speak or think as one want. मतलब हम freely जो भी हमें चाहिए, जो भी हमें करना है वो हम कर सकते हैं. That means the freedom. Now what are freedom fighters? So these are the persons or people who fought for getting freedom of India. Freedom की ज़रूरत क्या है? What is the importance of getting freedom? So here are the importance. It means that it is a condition in which people have an opportunity to speak, act and pursue happiness without unnecessary external restrictions. Freedom is important because it leads to enhanced expression of creativity and original thought, increased productivity and overall high quality of life. This is the importance of freedom and that is why everyone wants freedom in their life. But पहले के टाइम पे आपने हिस्ट्री पढ़ी ही है, उसमें आपने सीखा है कि बहुत सारे लोगों ने इंडिया पे रूल किया था. ठीक है, दैट इज व्हाट द फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल और वी कैन से फ्रीडम मूवमेंट. इन एंशियंट टाइम पीपल फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड वर keen to come to India for trading purpose. At the end of 15th century, first of all, Portuguese sailor, that is Vasco da Gama, on 20th May 1498 became first European to re-establish direct trade links with India in between 1497 to 1499. Then comes Dutch, Danish, French, Denmark, Norway, all of them established trading ports in India in the early 17th century. Then comes Mughals. Mughals have established their empire in 18th century, early 18th century. The first emperor of Mughal was Babur, that you know very well. After the Mughals, Britishers came. In 1600, British East India Company was formed and established their factory in 1608 at Surat under the leadership of Sir Thomas Roe, that is the ambassador of James I. Around for 90 years, these Britishers ruled over India and have given many pain to the Indians. So to get rid of them, many of the Indians struggled against Britishers to get freedom. ठीक है, so that freedom fighters we are going to discuss over here. So let us discuss how these freedom fighters got freedom. Through many sacrifices. The path to India's independence was not at all easy task. Several sacrifices of Indian freedom fighters were made for country. People like Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Mangal Pandey, Chandrasekhar Azad, Sukhdev, Rani Lakshmibai, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and many more have sacrificed their family, their peace, everything they sacrificed just for the freedom of India. For the freedom, not only men, women have also sacrificed many things. So here in this video, we will discuss the role of women in freedom fighting. The sacrifices made by the women of India will occupy foremost place. They fought with true spirit and great courage and faced many tortures, exploitation and hardships to earn the freedom. When most of the men freedom fighters were in prison, the women came forward and took charge of the struggle. ऐसे ही नारियों के बारे में आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. फर्स्ट इज दैट इज अरुणा असफ अली. She is a well-known Indian independence activist. She participated actively in public procession during salt satyagraha and was imprisoned. She continued with her protest and strikes inside the jail against the poor treatment with the prisoners. Due to this, the condition of the prisoners in तिहाड़ jail had improved. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट में आपको आंसर लिखना है अरुणा असफ अली, दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी विथ पेंसिल. After that, Captain Lakshmi Sahgal. She met Subhash Chandra Bose in Singapore, who wanted to raise a women's regiment for his Indian National Army. She motivated women to join INA's all-women regiment and it was a great success. She participated in the INA march to Burma, which is nowadays Myanmar, with the Japanese army in December 1944. She was arrested by the British Army in May 1945. She remained under house arrest in Burma, that is Myanmar, till March 1946, when she was sent to India at the time of INA trial. तो सेकंड में आप आंसर लिखोगे कैप्टन लक्ष्मी सहगल, दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी, पेंसिल से लिखना. Then third is Sucheta Kriplani. She worked closely with Mahatma Gandhi during the partition riots. She joined the Indian National Congress and played a major role in politics. She was elected as a member of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly. तो इसमें थर्ड में आंसर लिखना है सुचेता कृपलानी, दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी. जब भी आंसर लिखो बुक में हेल्प बॉक्स में भी देखते जाना, तो जिससे स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक नहीं होगी. देन फोर्थ इज उषा मेहता, दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर जी. शी स्टार्टेड एन अंडरग्राउंड रेडियो स्टेशन नोन एज सीक्रेट कांग्रेस रेडियो, which was active for a few months during the Quit India movement in 1942. Due to this anti-British activity, she was imprisoned in Yerwada jail in Pune. तो इसमें आंसर आपको लिखना है उषा मेहता, जो कि ऑप्शन नंबर जी है. देन फिफ्थ इज सरोजिनी नायडू. शी इज पॉपुलरली नोन एज द नाइटिंगेल ऑफ इंडिया. नाइटिंगेल ऑफ इंडिया मतलब भारतीय कोकिला, हु इज वेल नोन फॉर द सिंगिंग. She travelled across various places in India and delivered lectures on social welfare to invoke the women to participate in the freedom struggle. She tried to arouse the feeling of nationalism through her lectures. She served as the first governor of the United Provinces. That is Sarojini Naidu, option number F. Understood everyone? समझ में आ रहा है? ठीक है, चलो अभी 6th वन देखो, दैट इज एनी बेसेंट. शी वॉज अ लेडी ऑफ आयरिश ओरिजिन हु जॉइंड द इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस एंड गेव इट अ न्यू डायरेक्शन. शी सपोर्टेड इंडियन सेल्फ रूल, दैट इज सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट, एंड स्टार्टेड होम रूल लीग. These organizations had many branches in India which motivated people to protest and demonstrate for home rule in India. So that lady was Annie Besant, that is option number A. Then next lady is Madam Vikhaiji Kama, that is option number B. Throughout her life, she struggled for Indian independence. On 22nd August 1907, she unfurled the Indian flag in Stuttgart, Germany, while attending the International Socialist Conference, and raised her voice for the human rights and equality in India. She was exiled till 1935. Understood? ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हमने जितनी भी वीमेन के बारे में डिस्कस किया है इतनी नहीं है, देयर आर मेनी मोर, बट ड्यू टू लिमिटेशन वी हैव डिस्कस्ड दिस मेनी ओनली. हियर हेल्प बॉक्स इज ऑल्सो गिवन फॉर द रेफरेंस पर्पज. ठीक है, वन मोर इज दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस, दैट इज कमला देवी चट्टोपाध्याय. कमला देवी चट्टोपाध्याय, an Indian freedom fighter, became the first Indian woman to be arrested by the British government. She was a woman volunteer of the team announced by Mahatma Gandhi in the famous salt satyagraha that held in 1930 to prepare salt at the Bombay beachfront. She was arrested for entering the Bombay Stock Exchange to sell packets of the salt banned by the British government and spent almost a year in the prison. आप देख सकते हो, उनकी फोटो मैंने रखी है. शी इज दी कमला देवी चट्टोपाध्याय. देन वन क्वेश्चन इज गिवन टू यू. फाइंड आउट हु सेड दिस वर्ड. व्हेन वुमन who we call abla, that is weak, become sabla, that is strong. All those who are helpless become powerful. ये किसने बोला था? कोई बता सकता है? याद करो अगर पता है तो, और हिस्ट्री में पढ़ा हो तो. यस, इट्स महात्मा गांधी. महात्मा गांधी जी spoke these words in All India Women's Conference which was held on 23rd December 1936. According to him, a woman is more fit than a man to explore and take bolder steps. There is not any occasion where women should feel that they are less empowered than a man. A woman is to be considered as a companion of a man who has equal capabilities. ठीक है, तो हमें विमेन को या फिर कोई भी लड़की को कम नहीं समझना चाहिए. ठीक है. हियर द क्विज आर देयर. द फर्स्ट क्विज इज शी वॉज द फर्स्ट वुमन इन इंडिया टू होल्ड अ कैबिनेट पोस्ट. तो उसमें आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी, दैट इज विजया लक्ष्मी पंडित. देन सेकंड इज शी वॉज द फर्स्ट इंडियन वुमन प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस. तो आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए, दैट इज सरोजिनी नायडू. थर्ड इज she was actively involved in the establishment of the Phoenix settlement near Durban. तो answer is Kasturba Gandhi, that is option number B. And fourth is she was the first Indian woman to be elected as the chief minister of a state. तो उसमें आंसर आएगा सुचेता कृपलानी, that is option number C. पेंसिल से ही टिक मार्क करना appropriately in the given box. Okay, with this chapter is over. We have discussed here role of women in freedom fighting. Now we will meet in next video with the next chapter. Till then, stay healthy and keep learning. Vande Mataram.